Huzzah, and welcome back to Nightingale Plays Pokemon Fire Red. When we left off, I told you that I was going to capture some Pokemon, and guess what? I did! A Pikachu, are you impressed? And a Pidgey, both of which I leveled up a little bit, so that they were close to Charmander. In all honesty, they're probably never gonna catch up to Charmander. No, they will. Alright, so, into the fray. This guy's not a trainer. Let's get this item. Potion! Excellent! I can use that. Ah, I also meant to buy some antidotes when I was at the Pokemon Center earlier, because these stupid Weedle are driving me insane. Alright. First blood of the forest. Hey, you have Pokemon! Come on! Let's battle them! Yeah, if you really want. I'm not sure you're gonna like the consequences of that. Oh, and he has Weedle. Wonderful. Alright. I'm actually gonna switch out for Charmander and just use Ember on it. Yes, my speed is lowered. Very well. And Charizard uses Ember. It's super effective! Charmander's already almost level 10, wow. Yes, let's actually switch out for Pidgey, so Pidgey can get some action. And unfortunately, Pidgey actually doesn't know any flying moves yet. I seem to remember that once upon a time, Gust was actually a normal type move, and that's what Pidgey learned first. Or maybe I'm mixing that up with something else. That's possible too. But look at Pidgey go! No, it's not quite going. It's kind of strong. Wow, that's quite a lot. Caterpie can't hack it. I don't even know what that means. Alright, thanks for your money. Wow, so essentially if you went through the grass and had a bunch of random encounters, you were screwed at the end. But if you took the shortcut, that's interesting. Trainer tips. Contact Provoke by the PC. Alright, you there. Yo, you can't jam out if you're a Pokemon trainer. What does that even mean? Seriously, what does that mean? Because I listen to metal, and that is jamming out. Alright, let's keep Pikachu in there and use Thunder Shock. You should Thunder Smash, Pikachu. Of course. I'm sorry, Pikachu, but you're gonna faint. I'm not going back to the Pokemon Center unless I absolutely have to. Okay, Pikachu. Slowly eaten away by the poison. And victory belongs to Pikachu. And she almost gets a level up, too. Unfortunately, I do have to switch out. Let's go for the Pidgey. Even though, I don't know, does Weedle have the Poison Point ability? Should. It doesn't. Not the Poison Sting. So, does the poison rate, is that actually higher in this game than other games? Because that's quite ridiculous. In the other games, poison barely goes off for Poison Sting. Oh well. We're not concerned with other games right now, we're concerned with this one. that is the finishing blow. And Pidgey levels up. Excellent. Oh, wow. Yes. No, actually, stay in. I'll switch out for Charmander so that Pidgey can get some experience before fainting and grow to level 9. Poor poor Pikachu is so left behind. It'll be okay later. Well, not until after the first gym, probably. I'm hoping to get Charmander to learn Metal Claw before then, or maybe catch something that's halfway decent against Rock type. That's also another good thing about having a Bulbasaur and not a Charmander. Is that the first gym would have been a piece of cake. Now, yeah, Pidgey learned Gust. Perfect. Yeah, she did. Alright, unfortunately I really have no choice but to go back to the Pokemon Center, so I'll actually pause the video for a moment while I go do that. See you in a second. Sorry about that, but my Pokemon are fully healed, and I did remember to buy antidotes this time, so no more random poison for me. Alright. So, my goal is actually to get out of this forest, but I don't think I can do that in a... Ooh, item. Oh, jeez. Well, I did have 2 poison Pokemon, so... Oh well. At least you guys know that now if you haven't played this game before, and you get in that situation. But anyway, as I was saying, it doesn't actually look like I'm going to be able to get out of the forest in the next couple minutes, so... Man, people are freaks in this game. Alright, Anthony, prepare to feel the wrath of Kumo. Pikachu... Nah. We'll send out Pidgey. Pikachu really does need to catch up, though. It's kind of embarrassing. Pikachu's got to show that she can handle all the same kind of battles that Pidgey and Charmander can. Oh, jeez. Alright. I'm surprised. That should have been one hit. Well, then again, I do acknowledge that Pidgey isn't one of the best Pokemon. But I like Pidgey. I like Pidgeot, too. Pidgeot's pretty cool looking. Okay, good. Pikachu leveled up. Another Caterpie. Yeah, we'll go ahead and switch in Pikachu. Pikachu might be able to handle Caterpie. Electric type's neutral against Bug. Alright. Thundershock. Not as much damage as I would have liked, but it's something. Ha! Take that. I say that as if missing is an accomplishment. Why didn't that... Weird. There we go. That was a really weird fight between Pikachu and that Caterpie. No, nothing did go right. Alright. Alright, I gotta take a break. Hopefully by the end of the next episode we'll be out of the forest. So farewell, and until the next adventure,